Thank you guys again for being here, and today we are going to look on how we can do transcription using our cell phone. Before that, let's get into the intro. Okay, right now, as you can see, I'm already on my mobile phone, and the very first thing I will need to do is to go to my browser, which is Chrome. Then after successful logging into the workaround platform, you will see a list of projects. For now, we have only one project, which is this MTAC. So if you have any problem reaching to this page, you can join Slack with this link you can see here, and I'll also leave it on the description. This is where the support staff are all available to answer our questions and difficulties whenever necessary. So they are very friendly people and ready to help anyone regarding the issues on the workaround platform. So this is very important. You download this app on your cell phone, then you can chat. This is the place again where they update here in advance, so it's good to have it. So let's go back to the workaround platform, and the next thing is, you see this 1000 available. This is not the actual number of tasks available on this platform. I don't know why they say 1000, but in real sense, when you go to their chat, they usually display the accurate number of tasks that are remaining at that current time. So this is just an error, an system error, so don't follow this. It's not 1000, can be less or more. Okay, so the first thing is to click on that project. After clicking, you will see it will give you the instruction on the project. Please make sure you read it very careful, and you can see here some common words in the task. Some speech are very hard to understand, and therefore when you have this in mind, you will able to grasp some difficult words that you will hear ahead. So after going through all this, the next step is to start job on your right bottom. Then after that, click again open annotator on the bottom right again. Then if you are new to this project, this is what you will get. They will request you to complete training before you start working, so click on audio training. So they will give you an instruction again, which already you've gone through. So you can say start exercise. After starting exercise, you'll get a pop-up window and a text editor. This is where you will write your text. So I'll play this audio and write whatever I'll hear there. Actually, this is very hard for me to understand, and so I'll just guess anything and type here for the purpose of this demo, for you to get clearly how this thing is done, but I don't get what's inside here. Let me say it's a review. So after writing that, you don't complete it that way. There will be an highlight down there, a review in something like yellowish. So you choose that. Then it will appear like this. If it doesn't appear like this, then it means the system will not pick up that text. It must be like this. Then after hitting that, you go to bottom right and say next example. So this was wrong, and I know it's wrong because I was just demonstrating. I can't hear exactly. So if you can't hear what is being said on instruction, they will tell you write unintelligible. So let me try that to see if it will get approved and intelligible. So you choose that, then you say next. Actually, again, they refuse this, so I don't know. But you get the feeling of this. This is how it's being done. So after practicing here, you can come down here and start your tests. Sorry. So you can play here.
Can I get a Coke? 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 Can I get a Coke?
This lady, I think she says, can I get
can I get a Coke? Can I get a Coke?
Can I get help? As you can see. So you tap on that bottom highlighted word. Then when it appears like that, you say next example. You see that one went through, and that's how it's done.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, this one he's saying thank you. Thank you. So you tap on that, then you say next. Okay, it's okay.
One gyro. One gyro. One gyro. One gyro. One gyro.
Could there anyone to help me? I don't get this.
One gyro. One gyro. One gyro. One gyro. One gyro.
I can't get this clearly. So if you have challenges like mine getting the clear words, you can go back to training, and those words are being listed there. You can go through again and you will get to understand what they are saying here.
One gyro. One gyro.
And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for making this till the end, and I'm glad I helped someone somewhere. And if that's true, please hit that subscribe button and show me your love back by liking my video. And if you have any question regarding this or any other video on my YouTube channel, please comment there, and I will be ready to respond to your queries in less than 15 minutes. I'm always online and ready to help you. Have a good day, have a good evening, have a good morning. Thank you.